Hey, good morning, all you Hvacers out there. You ready? Look at this graveyard. I ain't saying nothing. I took a peek at this the other day. We'll give that some time there. That's a 3-ton, 3-phase, with a locked up compressor, blowing fuses. Look at this graveyard. Saw a few videos on graveyards or rooftop graveyards. This is a nursing center, motel, Morehead City. Today is February 15th, and look at this walking hazard. Well, there's the door. Ratty, dangerous, and my cheater cord there. Ow, God damn it, look at this mess. God dang, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 units up in here. And that's all rigid conduit. Rigid, thick shit. You can stand on it, but try not to. Golly, let's see. A couple more there. I put those in a few years ago. Not the little one. That's an old train. But those two, look, I think it's defrosting. Yay, it's working. Golly, boys. And I'll get up on the roof later on. You can see the world up there. But this is going to be part 1 to the Basket Case Motel. Yeah, that one's in defrost too. Okay. 3 minutes. That's good for now. They're hooking up the new unit. Yeah, I'll just hang out here. See if I can get this thing. There we go. Alrighty. Well, let it roll. We might see a disaster. Wait, boy. Look at this ice. It's frozen. My net driver's frozen with ice. Some bitch. Oh well. Boy, that thing is solid down there. Okay. Man, now it's starting to rain. It's raining. This morning it was snowing and sleeting 20 miles away. I think it's our time now to get some of it. Come on, hurry up. It's cold up here, hurry up. Yay, here it comes. I would shit a brick if that thing fell. A few years ago, way up there on the 10th floor on the roof, we did a 10-ton package unit. That crane was a little bit bigger than this thing. And got a little swing in it there. Damn, it's raining. That was a good little rattle there. Alright, get back over here. And I'm gonna turn this thing off here in a moment. There it comes. Holy shit. Alright, gotta go. See ya.